In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Xero in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Xero or just brushing up, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get started right away. First, log into Xero by visiting their official login page. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you sign up beforehand. Once you are on the page, click on the login button. Enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. Taking care with your credentials is key to ensuring a secure login. After entering your details, hit the login button again to access your dashboard. You'll notice that the dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your accounting operations, which can be quite handy in managing your business finances efficiently. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always useful to know where things are before diving into a new task. When you're ready, look for the Business tab on the main menu. Clicking on this tab will display a list of options related to your business transactions and activities. From here, select Bills to Pay. This section is dedicated to managing and tracking bills and payments, helping you stay organized and on top of your dues. In this area, you'll see a list of existing bills, but today we're focusing on creating a new one. To create a new bill, click on the New Bill button. This will open up a form where you can enter all the necessary details from your supplier's invoice. Now this part requires a bit of attention. Be sure to enter each piece of information accurately, from the supplier's name and invoice number to the amounts and due dates. Making sure this information is correct up front will save you potential headaches down the road and ensure your financial records are precise. Once you've carefully entered all the details, there are two routes you can take. If you'd like to save the bill for later review or modification, click Save. On the other hand, if you're satisfied that everything is correct and ready to go, click on Approve. Approving the bill will log it into your Xero records as an official document ready to be paid when due. And that's it. By following these clear steps, you've successfully created a bill in Xero. Regularly managing your bills in this way will help you maintain accurate records and streamline your accounting process.